My beloved wife, my heart's true grace, in your love I have found my place with every moment that we share. I know you will always be my care. Your gentle touch, your soft embrace brings warmth and light to every space, through every storm, through every fight. You are my peace, my shining light. In your eye, I see the stars, a love so pure without scars. With every word, with every kiss, you fill my soul with endless bliss. My beloved wife, so kind, so true. My life's complete because of you. You lift me up when I am down. In your love, I shall never drown. Your love is my sweetest song. In you, my joy, my strength is found through every day, in every way. I shall love you more than words can say. With every step, with every glance, you fill my world with sweet romance. In your arms, I find my home. With you, my love, I shall never roam. My beloved wife, you are my heart. Together we shall never be apart. In this life, through thick and thin, I know with you we shall always win. So take my hand, let's walk this road. Together we shall carry every load. My love for you will never fade. For in my heart you have always stayed. My beloved wife, forever mine. Our love will stand the test of time. In you I have found my perfect life, my love, my heart, my beloved wife.